Now I'm explaining structure of antibodies. Antibodies are protein molecules called immunoglobulins, that is Ig, capital I, small g, which are produced by lymphocytes. An antibody is a molecule that specifically inactivates an antigen. Antigen is any foreign particle. All antibody molecules are composed of four interconnected amino acid chains. Two are long, heavy chains and two are short, light chains, both arranged in the shape of letter Y. The tail portion of antibody comprising the two heavy chains called the constant fragment. On the tip of each arm, an antigen binding fragment FAB is present, which especially holds antigen. Polypeptide chains of antibody molecule are bound together by disulfide and non-covalent bonds. Immunoglobulins are classified into five major types: IgM, IgG, IgD, IgE and IgA based on the five types of heavy chains found in them. IgG, IgD and IgE consist of single monomers, while IgM has 5 monomers and IgA has 2 monomers joined by a secondary piece J chain. IgG is the most important long-acting antibody, representing about 80% of the antibody. It is able to pass across the placenta from mother to child. The second important kind of antibody molecule is IgM, and because of its huge size, it cannot leave the bloodstream, nor can it pass the placenta. IgA, known as the secondary antibody, is secreted into the cavities of the body, such as gastrointestinal tract, the respiratory tract, and onto the body surface. IgA is found in tears and saliva and in the colostrum, the first milk secreted by nursing mother. IgD serve as a receptor site at the surface of B cell to secrete other antibodies. IgE plays a major role in allergic reactions by sensitizing cell to certain antigens. Antibodies do not destroy antigen but only take the molecule for destruction by some special mechanism called effector mechanism. Number 1, agglutination. Antibodies bind to antigen to produce large insoluble complexes which are harmless. Number 2, opsonization. IgG molecule coat the surface of antigen to facilitate their recognition and digestion by phagocytes. Number 3, complement mediated cell lysis. Complement system is a group of serum enzymes. The activity of these enzymes result in the formation of pore on the plasma membrane of invading cells, causing them to lyse. The B lymphocyte produce an army of proteins in response to pathogen into our body to fight with them. These proteins are called antibodies. Antibodies are specific proteins synthesized by the host in response to an antigen. तो एंटीजन के अगेंस्ट जो प्रोटीन हमारी बॉडी में बनती है डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म के लिए, फाइटिंग के लिए, उसे हम एंटीबॉडी कहते हैं. ऑल एंटीबॉडी मॉलिक्यूल आर इम्यूनोग्लोबिन्स, that is Ig gamma globins, and are released from plasma cell. तो एंटीबॉडी मॉलिक्यूल क्या है? ये इम्यूनोग्लोबिन है जो कि प्लाज्मा सेल से रिलीज होते हैं. इम्यूनोग्लोबिन आर ऑफ 5 टाइप, ये 5 होते हैं: IgG, IgM, IgA, IgD and IgE. All these types consist of monomeric units, each comprising 2 light and 2 heavy chains, which are joined by disulfide bonds as well as by non-covalent interactions. Each heavy chain has a molecular weight of approximately 50,000 and the light chain of about 25,000. The heavy chains are specific for each type of immunoglobulin. They contain amino acid in a specific sequence which determine The types of immunoglobulin. There are 5 types of heavy chain: gamma, alpha, delta, micron, and ellipsin. The immunoglobulin formed by them are respectively known as IgG, IgA, IgD, IgM and IgE. मीन्स गामा से बनती है IgG, अल्फा से बनती है IgA, माइक्रोन से बनती है IgD, IgM, डेल्टा से बनती है IgD और इलिप्सन से IgE. The terminal portion of both heavy and light chain of the each monomeric unit, known as V region, show considerable variation, whereas the remaining portion, known as C region, is relatively constant in amino acid structure. Each immunoglobulin is specific in its function. About 70% of normal human serum is IgG. It is the most common type of antibody. It passes from the mother to the fetus through placenta and thus provides immunity to newborn. IgG is the workhouse of immune system. Conferring thus provide immunity to newborn. IgG is the workhouse of immune system, conferring most of the benefits of immunity. About 7% of human sera is IgM. Each IgM molecule is composed of 5 monomeric units and additional J chain, and it activates the complement composed of 5 monomeric units and an additional J chain. It activates the complement system. IgA account for about 20% of total serum and is found in relatively low level in the blood, but is the main immunoglobulin to be found in body secretions such as tears, saliva, nasal dropping, colostrum and milk. तो ये मेन सिक्रीशन है जो कि हमारे टीयर, सलाइवा, नेजल ड्रॉपिंग, कोलेस्ट्रम एंड मिल्क में, कोलेस्ट्रम मीन्स फर्स्ट मदर मिल्क में पाया जाता है, IgA. The presence of IgA in colostrum and milk appears to be an important way of providing the infant with immunity to disease. तो इसीलिए फर्स्ट मदर मिल्क बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि IgA उसी के थ्रू मिलता है न्यूबॉर्न बेबी को, जिससे वो डिजीज़ से फाइट कर सकता है. अदरवाइज़ जिस बेबी को फर्स्ट मदर मिल्क कोलेस्ट्रम नहीं मिलता है उसका इम्यून सिस्टम बहुत ही वीक होता है और कोई भी डिजीज़ सबसे पहले ही उस पर इफेक्ट कर देती है. Only 1% of the serum is IgD. Little is known about this serum, but it seems that it regulates the synthesis of other immunoglobulins. About 0.002% of total immunoglobulin present in the serum constitute IgE. When combined with antigen, it shows allergic reactions. तो एलर्जी में जो ज़्यादा बनती है वो है हमारी एंटीबॉडी IgE. इसी का नंबर ज़्यादा देखकर टेस्ट करते हैं डॉक्टर्स कि कौन सी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ से हमको एलर्जी है. Now I am explaining mechanism of action again, effector mechanism. An immunoglobulin antibody, that is antibody molecule, can bind 2 or more bacteria and that is antigen simultaneously. तो हमारी जो एंटीबॉडी मॉलिक्यूल है वो एक से ज़्यादा, 2 से ज़्यादा बैक्टीरिया जो कि एंटीजन है, फॉरेन पार्टिकल हैं, उनके साथ बाइंड कर सकती है एक ही बार में, एक साथ. When immunoglobulin trap antigen, they have no power to destroy them. एंटीजन को वो ट्रैप तो कर लेती है लेकिन उसको डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं कर सकती है. They only tag the molecule for destruction by some special mechanism known as effector mechanism. तो जिससे वो उसको डिस्ट्रक्ट करती है, इस मैकेनिज्म को इफेक्टर मैकेनिज्म कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल सम इफेक्टर मैकेनिज्म आर: नंबर 1, एग्लूटिनेशन. एंटीबॉडीज मीन्स एग्लूटिनेंस बाइंड टू स्पेसिफिक एंटीजन, एग्लूटिनोजेन बोलते हैं एंटीजन को, टू प्रोड्यूस लार्ज इंसॉल्युबल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस which render them harmless and facilitate their destruction by other cell of the immune system. तो ये उससे बाइंड करके लार्ज इंसॉल्युबल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस बना लेती है. सेकेंड वन इज ऑप्सोनाइजेशन. एंटीबॉडीज मीन्स ऑप्सोनिन कोड द बैक्टीरिया, एंटीजन को कोट कर लेती है बैक्टीरिया को, एंड दस रेंडर द सेल्स मोर सस्टेबल टू फैगोसाइटोसिस, जिससे कि एंटीजन को फैगोसाइटोसिस की प्रोसेस से डिस्ट्रॉय किया जा सके। फैगोसाइटोसिस मीन्स इनगल्फिंग, डाइजेस्ट करना। थर्ड वन इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट medicated cell lysis. Complements are highly specialized plasma proteins, means enzymes. दे आर नॉट एंटीबॉडीज़। तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स जो होते हैं वो एंटीबॉडीज़ नहीं है, ये स्पेशलाइज प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन है, एंजाइम्स हैं। दे आर ट्रिगर्ड बाय द IgM IgG बाउंड टू द सरफेस ऑफ द एंटीजन। देयर आर सम 20 डिफरेंट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स। They either directly or indirectly kill the bacteria. In addition, they help various stages of inflammation, means swelling, and act as opsonin. Now I am explaining structure of antibodies. Antibodies are protein molecules called immunoglobulins, that is Ig, capital I, small g, which are produced by lymphocytes. An antibody is a molecule that specifically inactivates an antigen. Antigen is any foreign particle. All antibody molecules are composed of 4 antigen.